Google search engine, misleading and controlled. Search engines were built to help us find the truth, unless the algorithm decides the truth is inconvenient. 1. What Google shows and what it hides. Type Cherokee Indigenous Tribal Nation into Google. Instead of our 6 official sites, the AI generated overview labels. SITN, a self-proclaimed group, claims we have no SAM.gov listing and quietly omits every document we publish. This is not a glitch, it is a pattern. Any lineage-based, self-governing nation that refuses Bureau of Indian Affairs control is downranked, reworded, or rebranded as a mere club. Result, a billion-dollar search engine rewrites indigenous identity in 0.37 seconds, continuing the same paper genocide its forerunners began with Census Inc. and racial integrity laws. 2. The colonial code in the algorithm. Recognition equals surrender. Federal acknowledgement demands we deed land into U.S. trust, accept BIA veto power, and allow Congress to shrink or terminate us. See Lone Wolf versus Hitchcock, 1903. Erasure by automation. AI is trained on archives that already reclassified our ancestors from Indian to free, colored, Negro, or Black. Feed biased data to a large language model, and it will return biased answers at scale. Control the words, control the world. By defining real tribe as BIA-listed tribe, the engine implies sovereignty is a government favor, not a creator-given right. 500 federally recognized tribes are amplified, but the numbers are far greater for non-federally recognized tribes. More than 5,000 lineage-based, non-federally recognized tribal governments that declined recognition are muffled. 3. The SITN fact check. Google claimed documented reality, no SAM.gov record. UEIS 60SLV7T7JC8, active CAGE13H74, valid through 2027. Unincorporated Group, IRSEIN, 93-4333729, classified tribal government, charter, constitution, and land trust recorded. Self-proclaimed lineage proven by census, 1790 to 1940, BLM patents, Freedmen Bureau rolls, hematology studies, and court-filed affidavits. 4. Why we decline state and federal recognition. Recognition is control. It trades inherent sovereignty for conditional benefits. Treaties were broken. Over 5,000 Indian treaties, virtually all violated. No repair, no trust. Hidden clauses invite displacement. Non-Indians can be enrolled, vote, even evict heirs once land is in federal trust. Autonomy protects the nation. SITN governs with its own courts. GEIB security and sovereign land and cultural trust, without surrendering title. 5. Algorithms are not authorities. If an AI cannot read the primary documents we publish, that is the AI's limitation, not our legitimacy. Google's index is a corporate product, not a court of law. Sovereignty cannot be crowdsourced, upvoted, or downranked. Until the algorithm respects documented fact, its results remain an extension of the same colonial oversight we refused on paper. Closing call from paper. Genocide to paper truth. Our grandparents survived erasure, removals, and relabeling. They kept the songs. We keep the documents. Search engines may bury the links, but the record stands. The land remembers, and so do we. Cherokee Indigenous Tribal Nation.